Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing very well. So we are here with the new content of our video today. The new content of today's video is going to be how to fix sound problems on Windows 11. Problem is seen with many people. In my laptop there is no such problem, and so those of you who have this sound problem, I will show you how to fix it in this video. So without delay, let's start our video. First you need to go to this Windows option. After that you have to search here troubleshoot settings. Alright, you have to click on it. Alright, ultimately after clicking here you will find other troubleshooters to click on that option. After that you will find an option called audio here. Alright, so beside the audio you will find an option called run. Alright, you simply need to click on run. After that for those of you who have problems, they will be resolved immediately. I don't have any, so the problems I have will be shown in front of me here. It's scanning a bit. It will take a little time for this page to come up for you. This interface will appear for you after the scan. Okay, so you simply have to click on the yes option here. After that, the problems you have will gradually start getting fixed here. Okay. Your device will find the problem. Okay, here you will be able to see all your issues will be shown here in your speaker be fixed. So friends, if you liked our video, do give a like, subscribe and share the channel.